Welcome to our video. Today, we'll dive into the amazing world of the Navy Federal Nrewards secured card and explore its incredible benefits. If you're looking to build your credit and unlock rewarding opportunities, this card is perfect for you. Let's get started. Before we delve into the benefits, let's understand what the Navy Federal Nrewards secured card is all about. This card is a secure and reliable option for individuals who are new to credit or want to improve their credit history. It requires a refundable security deposit, which sets your credit limit, giving you peace of mind while building or rebuilding your credit. Now, let's discuss the key benefits of the Navy Federal Nrewards secured card. First and foremost, this card comes with a generous rewards program. For every dollar spent, you earn valuable rewards points that can be redeemed for cashback, travel, merchandise, and more. It's like getting rewarded for simply using your card. One of the standout features of this card is its competitive interest rate. With the Navy Federal Nrewards secured card, you can enjoy a low ongoing APR, which saves you money on interest charges. This is particularly useful if you plan to carry a balance from time to time. Additionally, let's talk about security. The Navy Federal Nrewards secured card provides top-notch security features to protect your account and personal information. Rest assured, your financial data is in safe hands, giving you the confidence to make purchases worry-free. Now, let's explore how this card can be a stepping stone to a better financial future. By using the Navy Federal Nrewards secured card responsibly and making timely payments, you can gradually improve your credit score. A positive credit history opens doors to better opportunities, like lower interest rates, higher credit limits, and even your dream home or car. Applying for the Navy Federal Nrewards secured card is a straightforward process. Simply visit their website or a local branch to get started. The application usually takes just a few minutes, and you'll receive your card after approval. Remember, this is your first step towards financial success. In conclusion, the Navy Federal Nrewards secured card is a game changer for those seeking to build or rebuild their credit. With its rewards program, competitive interest rate, and top-notch security features, it stands out as an exceptional choice. Embrace this opportunity to take control of your financial journey and unlock a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or experiences with the Navy Federal Nrewards secured card, share them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and make wise financial choices. Goodbye.